Hi, welcome to the video. I'm going to take a few minutes to show you how to set up the timer. Before initial use, plug the timer in for at least 30 minutes to charge the internal battery. Please note that the LCD display might turn off when not in use for extended periods of time. Please plug the timer in at least once every 3 months to keep the battery charged. Then, briefly review the button layout. Mode. Press this to switch the timer functions. There are 6 different functions. Time. Set or show the current time. Program. Set the function. Plus. Increase the setting time. Set. Confirm or clear the setting program. Minus. Decrease the setting time. And reset. Reset all functions to default. When using the timer for the first time, insert a thin, non-conducting object, like a wooden toothpick, into the reset hole to reset the timer. Now, I'm going to show you how to start setting the current time. Hold down the time button for 2 seconds to enter the current time setting. Select the correct date of the week using the minus and plus keys. When the correct day is selected, press the set button to move on to the next part. Set the current time and pay close attention to the AM/PM display when setting the minutes. When you are finished with this setting, press the time button to return back to the standby display. Now, I'm going to introduce the mode setting and how to set up the programs. Upon pressing the mode button, there will be 6 available functions. These functions are as follows: off, random timer, auto timer, auto photocell and timer, and lastly, on. To learn about each function more specifically, please read the instructions carefully. Please note that only the auto timer and auto photocell and timer functions allow custom program settings. Now, I'm going to show you how to set up the programs. First, press the mode button until you reach auto timer. Then, hold down the program button for 2 seconds to enter the program setting. The days in which the timer is active is displayed across the top of the screen. It can be set for just the weekend, just from Monday to Friday, or any individual day. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust these events. Up to 8 on and off events can be set up. Once the setup is complete, press the time button or wait for 15 seconds to return to the standby display. Next, I will show you how to use the auto photocell and timer setting. Under the photocell function, this device will turn on at dusk and off at your preferred set time. The setting process is the same as the previous function. Also, up to 8 off events can be arranged. For example, I will set the program for the weekdays to turn off at 11 p.m. When finished with the above setting, press the time button. Now that the timer has been set, we will return to the standby screen. This program will turn the device on at dusk and off at 11 p.m. on the weekdays. Thank you very much for watching.